Welcome back. In this video, we will be doing a test order in Woocommerce and seeing sales notifications in your dashboard. Let's begin. Now, the only thing we have is our little monkey guy, right? And he's a t-shirt for $9.99 on sale. I'm going to add it to cart. And then you're going to view the cart. You want to check it to make sure that everything is working properly. And I did elect to allow apply coupon codes. If you want to deselect that, that is in the WooCommerce settings. And we're going to go ahead and pretend like we're going to make a total purchase. We're going to proceed to checkout. Okay, and here again it asks if you have a coupon code. That's if you have that enabled. So we're going to go ahead and pretend. Now if you scroll down, you can see here that because I have test mode enabled, it gives me a fake credit card to enter, and you can put any CVC and you can validate the with a valid expiration date. In other words, it has to be in the future. And if you want more information, you can test it out. So I'm just going to copy and paste that info into the card number just to show you. And we're going to say January of the year 2030, and the card is 123. And I'm going to fill out the rest over here, and I'm just going to skip it really quick so you can see how this works. So I'm just going to fill this out, and then we're going to see if I can finalize this order. Okay, so here I have a fake account, Minnie Mouse, of course, at Walt Disney, of course. And we're going to go ahead and pretend to place an order and see if it works. Okay, so our order went through, which means that our shop is set up correctly. And it says here order received. It thanks the customer. It gives it an order number. This is what the customer would be seeing. It gives the customer their order number, the date of their purchase, their email address. The total will see that it is actually a little less. And then the payment method, credit card, Stripe. And this was our test order. And when we scroll down, we see that it says the name of the item that was purchased and the price they actually paid was $9.99. But remember, we added a flat rate shipping in the previous tutorial, so it was $4.99, and that is why the total is $14.98. It shows the customer's billing and shipping address, and that is all. Now that you have already created your test order in WooCommerce, let's check the notifications. When you get a order from WooCommerce, you get a notification both in email as well as in your dashboard. And the way to find it is you simply go to WooCommerce, and there it is. There's a little red mark, and it's telling you one order. So we click on that, and we see our order from Minnie Mouse. It was done an hour ago. It's in the processing stage, and the total cost that we received, or rather the total price that we received, was $14.98. So if we click on it, we get to see here all the details about the order. We see it was made via Stripe, it was paid at this time, etc. Minnie Mouse's info, her shipping address, and here in the status, this is important. The status, you can change it to on hold if there's a problem. Let's say that you ran out of the product, of the t-shirts, or if it's been completed, or if somehow it has been canceled, if it has refunded, or it also lets you know if it's failed. You could put it here. If the payment didn't go through or there's a problem, you could put that there. Here you'll see the actual item. This includes a little photo. It tells you how much the customer paid, $9.99. And it also features, if you have that enabled, what their shipping rate was. In this case, $4.99. It tallies it all up here for you, and you can ignore this custom fields. And this is a neat feature that I really genuinely like. You can add here a note, and either a private note, which is a little memo to yourself, or if you click on the arrow, a note to the customer. And this is sent to the customer via WordPress WooCommerce internal email server. So, and if you hover over any question mark, it always tells you what it is. In this case, it says add a note for your reference, which is the private note, or add a customer note. The user will be notified, the user being the customer. So it's pretty nice. And that's it, guys. Oh, you can choose your actions here. If you want to, you can email the invoice order details to the customer again, because WooCommerce does this automatically. Resend new order notification, or regenerate download permissions if this indeed was a downloadable product, such as a software or ebook sale. But in this case, we're doing the little monkey t-shirt. And you can always click here and go to the actual product if you forgot what it was, or if you want to edit the actual product detail. But to edit it here would not edit the customer's information. You're just accessing directly the product in your WooCommerce All Products. And this concludes this video tutorial on WooCommerce testing your shopping cart, as well as checking how you receive notifications of payments. Thank you.